Don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications. We upload daily. And check the source of this video to view all the images and videos if there was any. Entire cities, including Western Mosul and Ramadi, have been destroyed in the war against the Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant, ISIL, also known as ISIS, group in Iraq. The Iraqi government says large-scale reconstruction across the country hasn't started yet because it doesn't have the money. About $90 billion is needed to rebuild the country after 15 years of war since the fall of Saddam Hussein in 2003, but Iraq's allies pledged only $30 billion at a donor conference in February. Al Jazeera's Charles Stratford reports from Iraq's capital Baghdad.